Today I will tell you what I eat during the day. I have just had a slice of bread with butter on both sides for breakfast this morning. During lunchtime, I have bread toast with butter and honey on both sides before I start the lecture. I also have tea, however I cannot drink tea because of some reasons. Let's hope that everything is nice. Okay, enjoy the meal. I just noticed the blue color behind my back. Here I have some jewelry which I can wear anytime I can. I have this bracelet and this is silver color, which is really nice. I also have rings even though they are not gold, but I can still put this on different fingers. The Christmas time has nearly arrived. I hope that you can live the fullest life and spend time with your family during this holiday. Simple happiness.